Looks defensive. Oh, look at it. Oh, wow. Thank you for closer view. Look, sometimes look at that. Whiskers. They got different filter feeders. Look at the slenderness. And then you got many different species. What is good, guys? Welcome back. I'm Antoine Marshall with Wildlife Plus Outdoor Adventures, where wildlife and outdoor collide. I'm here in Royal, Michigan, not too about a 20-minute drive outside of downtown Detroit, right off of Woodward. We are actually at Royal Tropical and Bird Haven. They sell birds and also tropical fish. So let's go in there and whatever else. They might have reptiles too. I've seen this pet store many times before and never stopped by. So I'm excited to go in here and stop. It's a little windy, so forgive me. It's about to go in here, check it out, and not wasting more time. All right, hit that subscribe button, guys. Like and share. Thank you guys for the love. This is the building here. Go in here, and you guys can't really see yet, but I can. It's a large parrot just sitting there chilling. Please use the other door. So I'm gonna use the other door. This is the way in. And check it out. Bigger than what I thought it would be. How you doing?
Hello, good, how are you?
Pretty good. I have a wildlife channel on YouTube. So since it's cold outside, I've been going around the local pet shops and just filming. And
Yeah.
is that okay?
Let me just ask real quick.
Okay.
Partner.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
What YouTube channel do you have?
Wildlife Plus Outdoor Adventures. So a lot of local pet shops, I've been going around filming them and just checking out their stock. And people been recommending different places to go to. So.
Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, you said it.
Okay. Thank you so much. Appreciate it. Mm-hmm. We can start this way. See what they have here. Oh, wait, hold on. Let's see. Let me zoom in, guys. Hold on 1 second. So, tadpoles way up here. Don't know what species frogs, but obviously not too big. See that one right here. This is Royal Tropical and Bird Haven. Look at these little guys here. And got the pricing. Oh my God! Look at these. Look how skinny these guys are now. These some type of filter feeders. And look how skinny they are. And tails. Look at that. Interesting. Look at the price. Very interesting. Just snail slugging around. Ooh, look at the spikes on his head. Can you guys see that? Oh wait, you know what? Here is a better, closer view. Look, look at that. Whiskers or tentacles. Haven't seen one like this before. And they have a green one with spots. And of course, you know, they got the catfish in here. So. Let me see. I don't keep doing that, guys. I'm sorry. I don't see anything in here. They got tanks on top of tanks. So, oh wait. Oh, look at that. Hello. Hello. Look at that. Oh, looks defensive. Looks defensive. Oh, look at it. Oh wow. Thank you for the action. Thank you for the action. Look at that. Let's see what's in here. So I have driven past this place so many times and never went in. Look at the fish above here, sitting on top. So, thanks to you guys, I have a reason to come in. Some things I'm not going to film because we've seen plenty already, like these guys here. So I'm not going to try to find some stuff that stands out. I don't know if there's something in here. So go crayfish in the back. How you doing, man? Oh, look at this. Dragon goby. Is that what this is? A dragon goby? Look at this. It's like 4 inches long. Get in front of the face. Get a better look. And these little guys are in there with them. Interesting. Look at these guys. They got different filter feeders. Look at the slenderness. And then you got many different species of these filter feeders here. And then this little guy hiding. That's cool. So yeah, come and check them out, man. They got some very weird looking fish here that's different that I have not seen nowhere else, actually. I'm trying to get guys this episode's things we have not seen yet. So if you've seen me skim over a few aquariums, because we've seen them already many times. How you doing?
How you doing?
Pretty good. So I'm always fascinated that you can see inside, like you almost want to see them eat. Anything else? Going through here. Another room. Oh, look at this big guy here. Don't want me following him. Got the disc fish here. Some more catfish. See the price here. Look at this big knothead fish right here. It's coming over here. Little teeth in his mouth. So I guess one must be the female, one must be the male. He looks very defensive. Like he doesn't want me over there by her. I get it. I'm going. You the boss. You the king. Shimmery. So yeah, man. Pretty neat. Let's see what else. Excuse me. Got your aquatic plants here. See? Aquatic plants.
But I don't know, should I separate?
We got the birds here. Look at this guy dancing. Here's a guy right here. Don't know what this is. Look at this guy here. I'm trying to talk. Look at him. Don't want to spook him. Baby so cute. Like, what is that? You got these guys inside a playpen, horsing around. Oh, look how pink these guys are. Look at the doves. Yo, look at the colors on these guys. So yeah, guys, there you have it. That is it. That is the tour, guys. Hit that subscribe button, like and share if you like what you see. And my friend back behind me, back here, hit that subscribe button, like I said. Thank you guys for tuning in. Until next time, I will see you guys later. Hmm.